friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So today we are going to learn Razorpay, uh, Ra- uh, Razorpay in Xamarin, but it is only for Android. I don't have Mac PC, so I have not implemented. But as soon as I will get a solution for it, I will implement that. Okay, and it I will share with you. If you have any solution, then please share your iOS code uh, uh, in the comment section. It will be very helpful for me and other user. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon so you will get a notification whenever I upload the new video. Let's begin with the Razorpay. So I have created a blog for how to implement Razorpay in Xamarin form. So first you have to create account in Razorpay. Then you have to get the key from Razorpay. It will be used for the later implementation in the Xamarin form. Okay. So uh, I have provided link in blog. I will also provide this link in the description section. So go to this. First you have to create account. I have already create account in this. Okay, just uh, uh, click on this sign up button, add your detail and account will be created. So it is very easy for you. And there are two mode here, test mode and live mode. If you are testing, then keep it in the test mode. When you want to publish, then go to the live mode. Live mode means it will transaction will be done from the real account, and test mode it will be the it will not cut from the real bank account. Okay, it will be in the test mode. Okay, and for the bank account, you can get from Google only card number. So you can get many card number from Google. Okay, there are many, so you can use 4111. You don't have to research more. Okay, I wish this is the number. Okay, and add a random CVV, means 1 2 3, or and for the expiry date, add any expiry date. Means this detail is for when you have implemented completely the Razorpay, and when Razorpay page is open, it will ask for the card detail. This is the card detail. Okay, so first you have to create key. So I have already created key, but I have show you I will how to create key. Just go to setting, go to API keys. Okay, I have already created. Uh, I have created, so it is regenerated. Otherwise will have a button for the generate new. Okay, generate new key. I don't want to deactivate because it is already running in my app. So it will give a key. Okay, it will come up if you click on the OK, it will come up with the dialog box like this. Okay, and then copy, download this it will download the Excel file in which your key ID and key secret is stored. Okay, so download this file. Then I have provided this Razorpay binding for Xamarin DLL. Okay, you can download it, add this DLL in your Android project as a reference. Okay, then in the names, in the main activity, after you adding that reference, you have to add this namespace. Okay, we will create first this view model. Create this view model. This is the response we will get through the API when we have creating the data. Create when we have to we get response from the Razor Pay after sending the payment data to the Razor Pay. Okay, this is the model we have get, and this is the order view detail. Means we have to send this view model to the Razor Pay. Okay, this is the method we have to create to call the API of the Razor Pay. You can also test this in the uh, Postman. You will get the result. So store this key ID and key secret key in the variable, and use the class of response view model. This class is in the main project. Okay, I have added this class in the main project. Right. Models. I added this Razor Pay integration in the main project. So add this view models and the method in the main project. Add this code. This is code for calling the API of the Razor Pay. This is a Razor Pay API. It add here key ID and key secret. Okay, this is I have created here a string key ID is equal to Razor username, or you can directly use this variable. I don't know why I have created 2 times. You can use directly this key ID and key secret. Okay, then it will after this byte is stored in variable, and this variable is converted into a base 64 string. Okay, it will be the base auth key. So this will pass in the header in the authorization basic and basic auth key. Okay, after that the value we have passed here, model we have created for the order view model. Okay, means I have assigned all the value here: amount, currency, receipt, partial payment. Just serialize this, means it will convert this object into the JSON string. Okay, then this JSON string will be passed into the string content. Okay, it will be passed into the request.content. Then in the request content.header will be the application/JSON. If you not use this line, it will throw an error. Okay, then pass this request in the http client.send async. Then it will give the response. This response will be uh, uh, means read this response through using the read as string async, and then deserialize that response to the response class we have created. So you will get data, means it is success or not. Okay, means here you will get all the data like amount, what you have paid. Okay, you will get receipt number, you will status, you will get how many attempts you have created, and you will get created at. Okay, and this is the ID. I means it is transaction ID. It will be the unique. So we will move return to the main activity. Get this response view model. Create a variable for the response view model. Okay, I will explain this later. Then this is the pay via Razor. Copy this code and paste, create this method. Okay, this method will will open the page of the Razor Pay. Okay, I will show you how it will look. it will look like this. Okay, means this is the amount, this is the phone number, this is the credit card number. Sorry, you will not pass a credit card number. This is the detail you have to pass. Okay, so we are passing merchant name, this will show here. Okay, this is the reference number, receipt number, this is the image that you want to show, this is the order ID. Theme color, I think that it will show you. I did not try this theme color. This is the currency, means it will get your option for the currency code. You see it, if you show your dollar, so it will show dollar. It is INR, it will show rupees symbol. Then you have to pass amount, email, contact number. So it will show amount, email and contact number here. Okay, so it will open the Razorpay UI. Now the question is, in the main form, main project, when you click on the button, then it will open the Razorpay. How to do that? So we have to do, I have created I have added here button, means in the last video I have created UI for this. Okay, you can go through the previous video. When I click on the pay button, okay, when I click on the pay button, I have called this method. We will look what is done in this method. I have created order view model, assign amount, currency, receipt number, partial payment false. Okay, then call this payment integration classes, then pay via Wizard. Okay, okay, then pass this amount. Okay, it will go through this data, call the Razorpay value. It will then call this messenger. Okay, messaging center. This messaging center pass some value here. Same value should be here. Okay, call in the onCreate method. When you click on the button, the messenger center will call, then it will find the same name in the whole project. It will go here, then call this pay via this messaging center will call this method that I explained. This method will open a Razorpay UI. Okay, then after what you will do, okay, if it is success, then it will go to come in this method. If it is an error, it will come in this method. So when you get success, we have to again go to the main project. So I again created a messaging center, send a message to the payment success variable, and same method I have called here in the initialize in the constructor. See, so again it will come here, and the data you have to pass, call that class name here and the variable name here. See, this is the class name and this is the data. Okay, and how to receive, this is the class name and this is the data. Okay, you will get your data. You can use this payload here. We will get all the value. You can use this data. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section. This is the block I have created. I have explained everything here, so you can copy this code and you can use this code. Okay, so uh, enjoy this result pay design. Hope you like this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any feedback, then please share me in the comment section. Thank you.